In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar bushings on this Cadillac Escalade. These are going to be located underneath the vehicle in the front. Let's get into it. Now we're going to take these two bolts out. On your vehicle, you should be able to use a 10mm socket. These bolts are not original, so we're going to use a 13mm socket. Take these out. And just grab the bracket, slide it off, take the bushing, there's a slice in it, take that off, get the new bushing. We're just going to use some silicone lubricant, lubricate that, open this up, slide it over the bar, slide the bracket over the bushing, get this to line up, get the bolt started. And the other bolt. And snug these down. And we can torque these bolts to 37 foot-pounds. And you can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.